Today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2026, and this is the Contested Logistics Analytic Watch. Clear your lines. For those joining the signal for the first time, this is Clause 6. I've spent over 30 years practicing logistics in the Department of War and as a civilian in the National Security Engineering Center. The signal has moved from structural reform to the digital pivot and the reality of operating under persistent ISR. I have synthesized the latest data from the DLA 4D Symposium, Freedom Shield 26, and the Army's new Signature Management Doctrine to give the collective a unified view of the current sprint toward contested resilience. Section 1. The Global Pulse. We are watching a fundamental shift in how the military buys capability. The U.S. Navy has selected AeroVironment to provide turnkey ISR services using the JUMP 20X uncrewed aircraft system. This is the transition to a co/co model, contractor-owned, contractor-operated. We are buying situational awareness as a service, reducing the logistics tail on the fleet. This is critical because the Department of War is now officially acknowledging the persistent ISR reality. We are moving beyond trying to hide from the enemy to learning how to operate while being continuously tracked. In Ukraine, the Ministry of Defense is doubling down on this digital transparency, moving 100% of the Army to SAP digital logistics by the end of this year. They are proving that a dashboard culture is as lethal as a precision munition. Section 2. The Coalition Web. The Joint Force is hardening its footprint in the Pacific. The Japan Self-Defense Forces are officially aligning their logistics command structures with U.S. Indo-PACOM operations. This creates a seamless coalition sustainment backbone that allows us to share fuel, munitions, and maintenance data in real time. This interoperability was recently stress-tested during Freedom Shield 26 in Korea, where the focus was Warrior Shield, a multi-domain resupply exercise under high-end fires. Simultaneously, AUKUS partners are accelerating their data sharing frameworks to ensure that our trilateral fleets can coordinate sustainment without bureaucratic delay. Section 3. Acquisition and Market Trends. The Air Force is killing the silo. Effective yesterday, a new Chief Modernization Officer was appointed to lead enterprise-wide synchronization. This ensures that every dollar spent is informed by force design. In the private sector, we are seeing the rise of low-signature autonomy. Companies like Shield AI are advancing platforms designed specifically to operate with reduced electronic and visual footprints. In a world where the enemy sees everything, signature management is now a primary requirement for any logistics platform. We are building the robotic brawn to match our digital brains. Section 4. Policy and the Tool Belt. The DLA 4D Symposium concludes today. The theme is the digital pivot, and the numbers are staggering. Funding for additive manufacturing has surged 83% this year, hitting $3.3 billion. The launch of the JAMA 4 pilot program will accelerate the qualification of 3D printed parts for the field. This technical shift is being met by a doctrinal shift. The Army is officially incorporating signature reduction and deception planning into sustainment doctrine. We are recognizing that logistics is not just a support function, it is a primary target. Finally, a reality check on civil-military interoperability. Under the new NDS mandate, our regional ports and commercial partners are now part of the kill web. If you aren't building relationships with the commercial sector today, you won't have the surge capacity you need when the first shot is fired. Your commercial supply lines are no longer just business. They are a weapon system. Remember to get out of the shadows. Keep spreading the contested logistics word, like and subscribe. Until next week, this is Clause 6 signing off.